The most common servos all look very similar, like these three here. They all have a sawtooth shaft on top in order to attach different kind of accessories necessary for your project, and three wires coming out of them. Brown is ground, red is VCC, which usually requires a voltage between 4.8 to 7.2 volts, and orange is the control signal, which needs to be a PWM signal with a periodic time of 20 milliseconds, aka 50 Hz, and a duty cycle of 1 to 2 milliseconds, so 5 to 10%, while an on time of 1 milliseconds